Alright, we have Tish with us here, the beautiful Tish. She came looking very nice here to do this Pure Vibes interview because she knows me and Nutty.
Yes.
So, Tish, give them your full name, why you chose the position, and what you plan to do for us. The people needs to know.
Okay. Alright, so my name is Natisha Joseph, also known as Tish. I'm running for second vice president, and the reason I chose this position was because I felt like my skills and my talents could best be displayed here. Given my history with Carib Fest last year, I think that second vice president was a good position for me to display my talent over Carib Fest and ensure that it runs efficiently this year.
Nice. So Tish, I hear you have a Facebook page.
Yeah.
And you have something else.
I think on something on Twitter, Team Tish.
Team Tish?
Yes,
Hashtag?
Team Tish. Yes, hashtag Team
So
Tish.
tell us, what's your Facebook page so we go and like it, you know? Say.
Well, I have a Facebook page like you just said, and you know, you can just go click, y'all can go click, like it. The more likes, the better for me. And Team Tish, my wonderful supporters or friends, came to the meeting and they had a Team Tish, and I guess it just blew up.
So your supporters back in here?
Yes.
So who's your campaign manager?
My campaign manager is the wonderful Josh Gardner.
Josh.
Big sexy?
Big sexy.
Alright. So before you go, sell yourself, let the people know why to come out to vote for you. Let them know to come out to vote for you first things first, and then why. You know, let them know. Give yourself a little promotion.
Well, as I said, vote for a candidate who has the organization at heart. Vote for a candidate who you know is very competent, and vote for me, second VP.
Because
I'm awesome, you're awesome. It's dear to me, it's dear to you. Let's rebuild our CISO family.
I love that.
That's the slogan we have.
Yes, that's the slogan. Yeah.